Hello gang, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to start generating forms of liquid using Tyflow. So this is the sort of end result that we're looking for. So I'm going to delete all these and start again. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to create of course we're going to generate a little Tyflow, and let's generate a surface that we want our liquid interacting with. So for this I'm going to generate a sphere. Over on the, so if you go over here to Tyflow, what you need is a Ty icon. So I'm going to create one here. So this is where we'll be getting the liquid to be coming from. So let's just move that one to where we'd want it. So we want it to be coming from above. Sorry, just one moment. Okay, there we go. Right, so this is where our points are going to be coming from, and what you can do as well is you can also, if you go back into here, you can change the shape of it as to what it is you're going to want. So what you need to then do is open up your Tyflow. So click on Tyflow, open editor, and we're going to birth. Okay, so to birth, what we then need to do is do a position. So we need to position the icon. Where are we? Position icon. Yeah. So we include this one here, and then we need to pick our that icon that we gave before. So you can see here that it started to place those within that. So what we then need to start doing as well is start applying some forces. So you can use this one here, force. This is going to build in types of gravity that's going to create the movement. So on the one that I showed before, I had a 0.4 gravity. And if we start playing this one now, you'll see that we don't get anything. Yep, so now we need to start applying some other elements in. So we're going to add in the collision. So this is what we want our liquid to start interacting with. So I'm going to pick this surface here, and you can see that it's starting to interact with it there. So to represent this a little bit better, what you need to do is on your operating system over here, you go down and select on Tyflow, and you click on Time Measure. So if you apply Time Measure, and what you need to do is you need to pick your Tyflow here. So this will start representing this, so you can see it a little bit better and start editing it as you go. So what you can do as well is you can just scale this one in a little bit tighter as well. So it's coming from a nice tight area. And there we are. So we have it starting to interact down there. Yeah, so the next thing you want to do as well is, because they're not really sticking together, I'm going to add a particle bind to that one. That'll just help them stick together a little bit, and I'm going to up our amount coming out. So you can see here that we've got a liquid interacting with a surface. The reason why it comes out so thick as well is because we've tightened up that portion there. So these are things that you can all have a play with, but the early stages of messing around with liquid in 3ds Max. Again, using Tyflow, guys, I highly recommend, again, spending some time with Tyflow, having a play. And guys, again, this reaches the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you guys next time. Don't just sit there. Hit like and subscribe.
Not a little